What's up everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the Size collaboration with Nike on the Air Force 1 Low in the Manchester B colorway. This pair released in late 2020 for a retail price of 130 British pounds, which is the equivalent of roughly 175 US dollars or $225 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is Sesame, Baroque Brown, and Sail, and this shoe pays homage to the city of Size's headquarters, Manchester. Size, for those of you guys who don't know, is a UK-based retailer and one of the largest sneaker retailers in the country. They own and operate tons of locations throughout the UK, which means they partner up and have a ton of different collabs, but this one really stands out. Diving straight into the shoe, so this is your classic Nike Air Force 1 Low silhouette. The upper of the shoe is constructed out of a combination of suede and leather. So starting things off with the toe box, here we have this sesame colored suede, and it has this perforated look on the top along with a small brown swoosh. We have more of the suede covering the sides of the toe box, along with the center of the shoe where the eyelets are, and then beneath this on the mid panel of both sides of the shoe, here we have this sesame colored tumbled leather. This leather is a very nice quality leather, it feels very good to the touch, and then stitched on top of this we have this Baroque brown colored swoosh. So the swoosh is also constructed out of a premium leather, and then as we move further back, we have more of that suede wrapping around the back of the shoe. On the lateral side of the shoe we have this embroidered B, and this is one of the symbols of the city of Manchester. They're known for their hard work and their grit, which makes the worker bee a perfect symbol. On the medial side of the back heel, we have this debossed cluster of honeycombs, which again is another nod to the whole bee concept. The back heel of the shoe is covered in this premium sesame colored leather, and we have Nike Air debossed in the center, along with another strip of leather running down the center. For the laces, these come with a flat lace, which sort of has a ribbon texture to it, and this is done in this off-white or sail color. Underneath this, we have a white mesh tongue, and it also has this sort of honeycomb shape to it, and it's finished off with this Nike Air tag at the top done in white, along with another tag on the lateral side with the numbers 0161, which is the area code for Manchester. The inner collar of the shoe is also lined in that same material that the tongue was done in, so it has this very textured honeycomb look to it. And then moving on to the insoles, these come with a leather-lined insole with Nike Air stamped on the heel in brown. The upper of the Air Force 1 sits atop this white colored midsole, and encapsulated within the midsole we have Nike Air technology. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have this gray rubber outsole, which complements the look of the tan, the browns, and the white perfectly. We have the circular traction pattern on the forefoot and the back heel, along with this Nike logo on the medial edge. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Nike Air Force 1s. For those wondering how these fit the same to me as most of my other Air Force 1s, so for most people I'd recommend going a half size down. If you have really wide feet, true to size might be the better call, but basically whatever size you normally are in the Air Force 1, I'd stick with that same size for this shoe. Moving on to comfort, so these feel pretty much like all my other Air Force 1s as well, so that means it's going to be a pretty clunky, pretty heavy shoe. The Air Force 1 generally isn't my first choice when it comes to comfort, however just for casual use, it's not bad at all. The materials used on the upper are very premium and very soft, so there's zero break-in time required, and straight out of the box they feel great. Finally, in terms of the quality and the craftsmanship on this pair, this is definitely the best part of this shoe. All the materials they used for this collab I felt was very, very premium. Right from the moment I got these in hand, I could already tell the suedes, the leathers, everything they used felt much better than your standard GR, and I gotta tip my hat off to Size and Nike for creating a very, very good product. With all that out of the way now, let's lace up the Size and Nike Air Force 1 Low, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. I think this was an amazing collab between Size and Nike. Not only are the materials excellent, I think the color scheme itself is also very, very beautiful. I love this mostly tan look with the hits of sail, the brown, and the gray. It all works really well together, creating a very premium and a very wearable shoe. So all in all, I love this pair, but I'm curious to know what you guys think. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys managed to grab a pair of these, or if you took an L or you passed altogether. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8. Check out my Twitter account at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thanks so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video.